And here you know that which national park? Here another treatment is what? Pinch. It is from this side it is coming. And I said that there is a Navegaon. Which national park? Which national park I said that? In Gondia district. हमने क्या बोला? संजय गांधी Sanjay Gandhi, Borivali, and what treatment he have given? Guggamal, another treatment? Pinch. Yes or not? Clear? And another I said that Navegaon. Can you remember? And then famous, यहाँ पे याद रखेंगे तडोबा अंधेरी टाइगर रिजर्व. तडोबा अंधेरी tiger reserve. Which one I said that? Tadoba is a kind of, what is I said that pond, and then another river, and another is in a lake. Andheri is in a lake. I said that Tadoba Andheri Tiger Reserve. Understood? Huh? Yes, nearby this. गोडिया में कहाँ वहाँ से हो? चलो बहुत सारे. The famous one I said that Tadoba Andheri 37 tiger reserves in India. I said हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं? Which are we have seen? Tell me. Sanjay Gandhi, Borivali, Guggamal, Pench and Navega. Understood? And this is I said that Tadoba Andheri Tiger Reserve. And यहाँ पर चंदा लेने का काम करते हैं हमेशा ये संजय गांधी. चंदोली नेशनल पार्क along the border of I said Satara, Ratnagiri, Solapur, Sangli. So which are the national park? संजय गांधी. नीचे में क्या कर रहे हैं? चंदा. चंदा, you know that, collecting some money for their party because he has already lost the faith. So I said Sanjay Gandhi, Borivali, Guggamal, another treatment Pench, and then Navegaon. And just remember Tadoba Andheri, and then below Sanjay Gandhi, and this is there is an what? Chandoli. So we have to see Vansda. Able to locate Vansda in the Gujarat. And once kiska, which once has been finished? Blackbird. And who has finished? Lion, Salman Khan. Gir Forest National Park. Thereafter I said that Marine National Park. And thereafter we have seen Kutch Biosphere Reserve. Thereafter you know that there is a Chandoli. Chanda le rahe hain kaun? Sanjay Gandhi. And there is a Borivali. Sanjay Gandhi and Borivali. Thereafter I said Guggamal, and Nagpur has Pench, and Gondia has what? Navegaon. Understood? And it is clear. And then it is I said Chandrapur has Tadoba Andheri Tiger Reserve. Next one we are going to see 3 national parks in Telangana and 3 national parks in Andhra. And the 3 national parks in Telangana all are around, I said, Hyderabad. All are around. I said that this is Krishna Delta, this is Godavari Delta, and here it is. And this is your what? Telangana. अच्छा, एक गोवा का कर लेंगे आप. गोवा में there is a Molle National Park. Goa has at It is in Dudhwa waterfall जो है, in which national park? Moulin, Dudhwa, Dudh Sagar, sorry, Dudhwa बोल रहा हूँ. This Sagar waterfall that we have seen in the Chennai Express film. In Goa, it is not in Chennai, not in Tamil Nadu, but this Dudh Sagar waterfall, it is there. Goa on Mandoi river, and there is an which national park? Moulin, Goa mein. Yes. I said in the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, it is Hyderabad, and then Hyderabad is famous for, I said that 1, 2, 3. Hyderabad is famous for what? Famous for what? Hyderabad biryani and all. वो साइन नहीं यहाँ पर. I said that Hyderabad किस लिए famous है? बिरयानी के लिए. And you know that some of the friends of yours you must have seen, like there is he is Brahman, but he loves to eat chicken. He loves to eat chicken. And sometimes what happen, if you are eating chicken, I don't want to eat chicken, you just give me curry, okay? कभी आप देखो कड़ी खा लेंगे, लेकिन वो चिकन नहीं, बोलेंगे कड़ी में नहीं गया क्या वो all the things. It is not veg. उनका भ्रम नहीं भ्रष्ट होगा. So I said that they can eat. Yes, तो यहाँ पर भी ब्राह्मण आनंद ले रहा है. देखो कैसे आनंद ले रहा है. कासु ब्रह्मनंदा रेड्डी नेशनल पार्क. कासु ब्रह्मनंदा. I said that ब्राह्मण आनंद ले रहा है. यस. एंड कैसे ले रहा है? मुर्गा खा के. क्या करके? मुरुगवानी. विश्व नेशनल पार्क, मुर्गा खा लिया उसने. एंड आफ्टर ईटिंग मुर्गा, one day he meet with Salman Khan. Then what he will eat? Yes. What he will eat? Harin. Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park. Harina Vanasthali National Park. So in the Hyderabad, which are the national parks we have seen? Kasu Brahmananda. Yes. Kasu Brahmananda. Yes, tell me fast. Kasu Brahmananda, Mrugwani. Brahman क्या आनंद ले रहा है? मुर्गे का. And sometimes he is also taking the, what is the name? Mahavir Harina. And then I said that ये बंदा क्या है? कैसा बंदा है? पापी हो गया. पापी कोंडा नेशनल पार्क along the Godavari river. God के सामने he become what? Our Vedic culture says that God is existing in this form. He is saying or not, we don't know. But according to mythology, he became papi. He became, and who is the God where he become papi? Who is the God? Sri Venkateshwara. I said that in the Sri Venkateshwara. Which national park I said that? In the Tirupati district, sorry, Chittoor district, nearby Tirupati temple, there is an, which one I said that? Sri Venkateshwara. Which one I said that? So we have been able to see Papi, and he become Papi in front of Sri Venkateshwara. और उस पापी का शीश काट दिया जाएगा. And there is an Seshachalam Biosphere Reserve. Seshachalam. It is the 17th Biosphere Reserve of India. Seshachalam in 2010. Seshachalam Biosphere Reserve. Understood? So, which are we have seen? I said that. हम लोगों ने कौन सा देखा? Which one is in Hyderabad में? Which we have seen? Kasu Brahmananda Reddy. Thereafter I said Mrugwani, and then Mahavir Harina Vanasthali. Understood it? And then we can see Sri Venkateshwara in the what? Chittoor district. And then I said there is a which one? Sesachalam Biosphere Reserve, and there is a Papi Konda. Understood it? So we have finished with what? Telangana and Andhra. Telangana has which three? Telangana has which three? Kasu Brahmananda, Mrugwani, and Mahavir Harina. And he become Papi Konda, Sri Venkateshwara, and I say Sesachalam Biosphere Reserve. Now 3 states left, and which are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. And then I said you know that this district is very famous, Karwar district, Kaiga Atomic Power Station, Kali Nadi River, and then I said that क्या हुआ? Okay. So I said that in this region, I said, और यहाँ पर famous sea bird project, and if this port has been formed, it will be the Eastern Hemisphere largest port. Understood? In the Karwar district. K for Karwar, K for Kaiga, K for Kali Nadi River, so many things are there. And I said that, and Karwar, और यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं? Ansi National Park. Which national park we are watching? Ansi. And if you come down, there is a what? Baba Budan Hills, Kudramukh. It is for iron ore, and it is famous for which is? Iron ore and all. So I said that there is a Kudramukh. Which one I said? So which are the 2 national parks till now we have seen? Yes, tell me. Ansi and then Kudramukh. Yes, Ansi and yes, एक आंसी नाम का लड़का कूदा, और जैसे ही कूदा, so he has made the hole in a city, and from the one city making the hole, he entered into another city. And Pakistanis are famous for making tunnel. Yes or not? Pakistanis are famous in making tunnels. And आपने एक मूवी में देखा था बजरंग बली समथिंग, हाँ, तो कूदा तो यहाँ पे नगर में होल हो गया. What is happening? So which national park? So we have seen Ansi. Second one I said that Kudramukh, and this Kudramukh is famous for iron ore reserve. Third one I said that Nagarhole. किधर? और जैसे ही नगर में होल करके पहुंचा, उसे एक ब्यूटीफुल लेडी मिली यहाँ पर. तो लोग बोलते हैं कौन मिल गया? बंदी मिल गई. कौन मिल गया? यस, बांदीपुर नेशनल पार्क. और बंदी किसको मिल गई? बंदर को. किसको मिल गई? यस, इन बैंगलोर देयर इज एन बनेरघट्टा नेशनल पार्क. और यदि यूपी एंड बिहार पीपल से स्पीक बंदर, तो बंदर तो बोलते ही हैं, लेकिन जनरल लैंग्वेज में दे यूज्ड टू से बानर. व्हाट दे यूज्ड टू से? बानर घट्टा नेशनल पार्क. Ansi, a boy, he did lots of work, kuda, and then he made a nagar in the hole. And he got an bandi. लेकिन लोग कह रहे हैं किसको मिल गई बंदी? बानर को. बनेरघट्टा नेशनल पार्क. Understood? And this Bandipur National Park is a part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. This is the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, very large. It is in 3 states. And Bandipur National Park is a part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. So we have seen like what? Ansi. Thereafter I said Kudramukh, Nagarhole, Bandipur, and then I said that Banerghatta National Park. Understood it? This is, I said, Karnataka. And thereafter, we have seen Gujarat. In the Gujarat, what we have seen? Once of Black Buck has been finished by Loin. Vansda, Black Buck, Gir Forest, and then Marine National Park, and then Kutch Biosphere Reserve. And then Sanjay Gandhi should have treated, yes. नीचे चंदा और ऊपर में, you know that I said Gu and Mal, and I said that Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Borivali, Gogamal, Pinch, and then I said, yes, tell me, Navegaon in the Gondia, and then we have seen, yes, tell me, Chandoli National Park, and then Tadoba, Andheri Tiger Reserve. Then we have seen Telangana and Andhra. Telangana in the Hyderabad only, and Hyderabadi chicken, biryani, and what did I said that? Brahman Anand de raha hai, Kasu Brahmananda Reddy, and then he is taking Anand of Mrugwan, and then Mahavir Harina Vanasthali. Understood it? And then we have seen Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, and after that, Andhra Pradesh mein which are the three? Papi Konda, and he is becoming Papi in front of Sri Venkateshwara. And then Seshachalam, Sesh kaat diya gaya, Seshachalam Biosphere Reserve. He is the 17th Biosphere Reserve in 2010. And then I said, क्या हमने देखा? Karnataka. Ansi has been jumped, and what did I say? That Kuda, Anshi, Kudrmukh, and then because of this Nagarhole, and then what he got? Bandipur, but किसको मिल गया? बंदर को, बानेरघट्टा नेशनल पार्क, and Bandipur is in a part of what also? Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, and Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve in the three states, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. This is your Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. And the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, here you will see that, which I said that, Bandipur. And in the Kerala, जब आपको कोई पकड़ लेता है, when somebody is, what is stealing something, and he has been caught, then he will be speaking something or he will become a specialist. चोरी चोर पकड़ा गया, then they will become completely silent. Yes or not? तो यहीं पर केरला में एक पलक्कड़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, पाल घाट गैप, पलक्कड़ गैप, between Nilgiri Hills and Nammalai Hills. There is an, I said that, Silent Valley. Which national park in the Kerala? In Kerala, I said that Silent Valley National Park. Here. Thereafter I said there are 5 national parks in one district itself, and its name is Idukki district, and the Annamalai Hills. And the Annamalai Hills is very higher,